Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to remove the websites and apps linked to our Apple ID account. So let's check it out. Apple might change their website interface in the future. If the options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We might have used our Apple ID on several websites and applications. Sometimes we would have done this long back and we don't remember them now. So it is good to recollect them and remove unwanted ones. To do this, we have to open a web browser, then go to account.apple.com. Here we have to sign in. We have the sign in option here. We can select that. We have to enter our Apple ID details. We can enter the email or phone number here. Then we have to enter the password associated with our Apple ID account. After that, we will get a dashboard like this. We can see all the information related to our Apple ID here. Then we have to go to sign in and security. We will have this sign in with Apple option. Select that. So here we can see the websites and apps for which we have used the sign in with Apple option. We can select the one we want to remove. For example, if I select this and select the stop using sign in with Apple option, it will remove that. You can only do this for the websites or apps you're not sure about or you're not aware of creating them. We are just doing this for the demo because if you stop using sign in with Apple with this app, you may be asked to create a new account the next time you use the app. So we have to keep this in mind. We can see when we used this and also the personal details we shared like name, email address, etc. So if you're okay with removing this, then we can select stop using sign in with Apple. Select that. So we are getting this warning again. Next time that you use this app, you may be asked to create a new account. So if you're okay with this, select stop using, removing. That's all. We have removed. These are the steps to remove apps and websites linked to our Apple ID account. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.